family, hello community. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on when you are seeing this video. If you are having dark spots and pimple gathered here, this soap is for you. Inside here, I have my soap base. I'm just selling soap base. I've cut it into pieces. I'm going to use double boiling to melt it. Stay tuned. Inside my pot, my water is boiling already, so I'm going to put it there and allow it to melt. Here, inside here, this soap will be a herbal soap. Inside here, I have my caramel powder. Unfortunately, I didn't see the powder, so I have to buy the leaf. I use mortar to pound it. If you want, you can use blender, but I use mortar to pound. So this is my cinnamon powder. I'm going to add orange peel powder. If you have banana peel, you can add banana peel. I don't have banana peel, so I'm adding my orange powder. I'll add 1.5 of orange peel powder. Then I will soak it with distilled water. I will soak it with distilled water. This is my distilled water. This is my distilled water. So I'm going to add. I'm adding my distilled water. I'm adding 50 ml of my distilled water inside the orange peel and cinnamon powder. Just add, turn, leave it for about 20 or 30 minutes. You leave it about 20 or 30 minutes. This is what it looks like. It did not melt your vitamin D3 inside your shea butter. If you put it direct to your soap, it will not melt. I'm adding 5 grams of vitamin D3. So I've added my vitamin. This is my vitamin D3. Then I'll put it inside the double boiling water so that it will melt. So we use double boiling to melt our shea butter and vitamin D3. This is what it looks like. We're going to add our aloe vera. This is a fresh aloe vera. And because I'm putting fresh aloe vera, I will put small preservative. But if you are using organic aloe vera, no need of putting preservative. As I used to say, please, everything I'm using to do my skincare product, you are free to Google it. You are free to Google it and know what they are doing in the skin, whether it's harmful or not. Then the next ingredient I will add is my turmeric. That's the baba of it all. My turmeric. Make sure you mix very well. And the next powder we add my neem powder. This is my neem powder. Google what neem powder does in the skin. The next powder we will add is my black seed powder. As I said, please Google my black seed powder. Remember what I'm saying? I said what I'm doing is soap for that skin and pimples 2 in 1 soap. Then I will put my oromai. You know why I'm putting this oil? Yes, if then some people have a sensitive skin. Some people have a sensitive skin. They will use something, it will react on their body, on their skin. With this oil, even if you want to react, it will not react. It will not react. It will not give you eczema. It will not give you acne. It will not give you anything. Rather, it will do the work it is meant for. There are some people, if they use turmeric, it will react on their body. There are some people, if they use anything containing aloe vera, it will react. And with this original oil I put, this soap will not give you itching, will not give you eczema or anything. So this is our mixture. The next thing I will put is my preservative. As I said, because I put fresh aloe vera, that's why I'm putting preservative. If not, I'm not supposed to. If I use organic aloe vera that I've already preserved, I'm not supposed to use preservative. But because I've used fresh aloe vera, so that's why I'm putting preservative. So as you can see, that's our oil. That's our shea butter and vitamin D3. And this is our chamomile powder and orange peel. So I'm going to infuse the water inside the shea butter. Water. What we need is the water, not the ingredients itself. It's the water we need. As I've seated for 20 going to 30 minutes. This is what we have. Now we are going to put our vitamin E. We dissolve with stearin and the powder and the glycerin. We're going to put it inside. I'm adding all these things here because once I put my soap base, the next thing is to pour my soap in the mold. Because once you put your soap base and you delay even a second, everything will just block back without you putting it inside the mold. And this soap is for my customer. Me too, I will use inside it. So I'm making it for two of my customer and myself. This is our soap base. I'll add it into our already mixed ube. As I said, once you put this soap base, please be very, very fast. If not, this soap will drop. It will drop very, very fast so that you mold it. This soap will fade your pimples. This soap will fade your dark spots. Just give it 2 weeks. Your pimples, your dark spots will fade away. Your face will be as smooth as and as bright as. So tell me in the comment section, will you give it a try? Will you give it a try? Please let me know. Thank you, bye. I love you all.
I see our soap, our pimple and the black spot soap. Can you see it? Can you see it? Oh, see our soap. See our dark spots and pimple soap. This soap will leave your face spotless. When I say spotless, I mean it.